Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to add to balance on your Instagram Reels account. So for those of you who don't know what is add to balance, then this is on the option of Instagram Reels. So this is the place where you can send the balance or gift to the creators as a gift to them. So now if you want to do this but you don't know how to add it on your Instagram balance, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to find about it. So let's begin with the video. And to do so, you need to simply open Instagram on a device and make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data on a device. So after doing that, you'll see the option of Reels at the very bottom taskbar. So click on the Reels. Under Reels, you'll see various options like send gift and so on. So this may only be enabled on some option. So if you want to send gift to the users, then you need to simply click on the option like send gift, and under send gift you'll see various gift option like various things like on it. So if you want to add to balance on it, then click on the option of add to balance, and under add to balance you'll be able to send them stars. So by sending stars, you show the creators that you love and appreciate their post and reels. So now select the option like or the number of stars you want to keep it as your balance. So click on the option of it. You need to purchase the star, so it may charge you a certain amount. So click on the option of purchase. So after doing that, you need to enter your Apple ID password. So enter the password and click on the option of sign in, and you need to enter your card details. It may be Visa card, MasterCard, or any type of card. After doing that, you'll be able to purchase the number of stars which you have tried to purchase. You need to enter your debit card or credit card, or you may also use PayPal to purchase the required number of stars. So enter your debit card number, your expiry date, your CVV code, and you'll be able to get the star on your Instagram. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. That's how you can add or buy balance on your Instagram. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.